Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is GSI Outdoors Cascadian. Featuring everything you need for a single plate setting, the lightweight, reusable Cascadian one-person table set from GSI Outdoors is easy to pack, stack, and carry for all your outdoor dining needs. The set includes one 9.5-inch plate, one 6-inch bowl, one 12-ounce mug, plus a full-sized fork, knife, and spoon. Made from durable, flexible polypropylene, the 100% recyclable Cascadian mess kit has a low ecological footprint and is a great alternative to single-use paper dinnerware. The sturdy, wide-handled cutlery fits easily in gloved hands. All pieces wash up easily and can be stored conveniently in the included mesh bag. Enjoy years of use for destination camping, scouting trips, backcountry backpacking, and storing for emergency and disaster prep. All GSI Outdoors products are fully warranted to the original owner against manufacturer's defects in materials and workmanship. Our second best camping mess kit is Wheeler's unique messware kit. This set comes with the ability to set up and use for 2 or 4 people. This mess kit was made exclusively out of high-quality stainless steel material, and is good for anyone that needs to host 2 or 4 guests for a meal. Package includes cup 10 ounces, plates 8.5 inches, bowl 6 inches, cutlery 7 inches. Compatible with beach and aquatic venues, mountaineering, camping or just barbecuing with friends. Bowls are made exclusively to endure the rugged outdoors, and were manufactured with a rust and scratch-proof design that doesn't rust or ding. Because of the high-quality construction of this set, your food will not pick up any of the toxins picked up from plastic dish sets. Each of the Wheeler's Outdoors stainless steel mess kit is made from premium food-grade stainless steel, which means BPA-free and no toxins while using these dishes. This set is perfect for any cold beverage or food that you may want to put into it. You can drink soda, soft drinks, water, beer, or just plain old apple juice with the cups. And for the plates and bowls, you can place just about any kind of food inside them: spaghetti, meat, meatballs, chicken, soup or meat stew. Third choice in our list is Mallomy Camping Cookware Mess Kit. This Mallomy Camp Mess Kit is my top 1 mess kit for one person. Going camping or backpacking on your own is practical when you carry this tiny mess kit packed equipped with kitchen utensils that are ideal in size to accommodate all your cooking needs. The mess kit comes with the pot itself, cover for the pot as well as a frying skillet, handles, 2 bowls as well as a cleaning loofah, soup spoon and the stainless steel spoon. The cookware is constructed of anodized aluminum which heats up uniformly and withstands frequent rough use without burning or leaving black staining. These stainless steel spoons are better than the fragile plastic ones that come in most kits. The other aspect of this kit that is remarkable is its handle. It is strong and doesn't heat up by using the pan, thereby preventing accidental hand burns. Number 4 in our side is Overmont Cookware Mess Kit. As a camp cookware manufacturer, Overmont doesn't get an amount of airtime despite creating some very good items. Overmont's Overmont Camping Mess Kit is unique in that it includes a cooking skillet, pot for frying and kettles, along with basic cutting boards and bowls. Furthermore, the cost of this set is affordable too. I can't think of a similar kit available that offers this much value at such a small price. Another thing that is impressive is that it is a small mess kit. The entire mess kit are easily tucked away in the large pot which can be put into the mesh bag. The compactness of the kit is a major draw for backpackers. The dimensions of bowls and pots are small, but perfect for a backpacker who is a solo. The size of the pot is adequate for a couple camping together. Cutlery sets are very well designed. The fork that comes with this set is far superior to the spoons that are included in a lot of mess kits nowadays. It folds very well. Bamboo spoons are perfect for cooking with a smaller pan and pot. Last in our top 5 best camping mess kits list is GSI Outdoors Mess Kit. The GSI Mess Kit is an ideal choice for a solo camper or backpacker who is looking for quality, long-lasting cooking equipment. The kit includes a cookware as well as a fry pan, bowl, and cup. However, the sizes are ideal to meet the requirements of a single person, since the pan and pan are constructed by using stainless steel. The dish can be easily cleaned. It is not a source of smells of food after cleaning. The cup that comes with it is perfect to hold a big cup of coffee. However, without a lid or insulation it won't remain hot for long. In addition to its excellent quality, the main reason I believe this mess kit is ideal for backpacking is because its handles fold up to make it a small mess kit. It is all you need to do is place the bowl and cup in the pot, and then place the pan onto the top to create lid. You could even put small spoons into the cup, however you'll need to purchase them separately as they are not included with this mess kit. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.